Today we are going to install the WatchGuard Firebox NV5 into the RM-WG-T8 from Rackmount.IT. Let's open the box and see what's inside. Included in the box is the 19-inch rack mount kit, one M3 bolt, 5 cables, and 5 zip ties. Remove the 4 rubber feet from the WatchGuard. Place your WatchGuard unit on the rack. Use the supplied bolt to fix your WatchGuard from the side of the appliance and tighten it lightly. There is no screw hole for the bolt in the appliance. Your appliance will be secured by the pressure of the bolt against the appliance. Plug in the power cord and secure the cable with the zip tie on the rack. Connect the cables from your WatchGuard appliance to the connectors on the rack mount kit. Use the 2 zip ties to hold the cables together. You are done installing the appliance into the rack mount kit. Place your WG rack into your 19-inch cabinet. If you have any questions about Rackmount.IT products, visit us online, Rackmount.IT.